Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a fender in a 2005 Dodge Durango. A deer hit me recently and I went to YouTube to try to find a video on how to do that and I couldn't find one. So I figured I'd just make one myself. So let's see if I can figure it out. Here it goes. So the first thing I did was undo each one of these bolts at the top here. Pretty simple to do. You'll also need to take the antenna off. I got a little head start here, so all it is just unscrew this. You may need to use some pliers or wrench to get this piece off. Then you'll have to undo this, and this piece just pops off like that. So there's a little molding here underneath that you gotta go on the inside here. And there's a couple clips here that you just gotta use needle nose pliers to undo. You can probably just get two of them out. Then you will have access to these bolts that hold the fender underneath. So after messing with this for a little, I realized that it might be easier to work on it if I took this wheel off. There's one more of these bolts on the inside of the fender here, on the inside of this, right there. Well, it's like a scavenger hunt. I just found another one. It's behind this plastic piece, and I just kind of made it come out of my hands, and there it is right inside there. I'm guessing to get this sucker out, you probably have to take this whole piece off, and to take that off, it looks like you have to take the windshield wipers off. It's an 05 Durango. I'm just gonna manhandle it and get that out with a little wrench and just kind of make it happen. I have to do it, but it looks like I might need to take the headlight out. So on the inside of the wheel well, there is a little hidden compartment. So all you gotta do is just push it up, and then it'll kind of come out, and then you can push it back down. There we go. And then there is a nut on the inside for the headlight, as well as two other 10mm bolts, one under there and one under there. We'll get those out here in a minute. Well, it's a good thing I decided to pull the headlight out, because there is one more bolt right there. So after I took the bolt out, there's a bunch of these little clips. You gotta get this one out. This is the one that holds the grill, and there's one more of those, plus each one of these guys right here. There's a better way to do it, but after forcing all of these clips out, to get it out of this, the one that's here and there, you just want to push the fender towards the back of the vehicle, and it'll just slide out. Also, there's this little bracket that goes in there, so once again it needs to be slid and pushed towards the back of the Durango to get this fender off. And voila! See if I can put it all together now. That's the hard part. So I just spray painted my fender with this spray paint in my I guess room downstairs here at my house. I think it's gonna be pretty close to the color that I want it to be.
Are you taking a video?
I am.
Oh.
Well, there she is, all done. Thanks for watching.